looking good, right? Because where his belly got more red. Alright. Doesn't look that way. Don't bite the camera. He's doing better. He's calming down. You got it. There you go. So I'll call that a success. He's starting to not be afraid. He's learning that he can be more comfortable physically with me holding him up. And that's the beginning, because he was so crazy bitey. He's still bitey, but you're better. You're doing better. And you see the hook, they're not arboreal. You know, they can stand a hook, of course, but I'm playing into his want for support and using it to get him to tolerate me a little bit. I just need you up a little higher though, buddy. You know, you need the right angle. This is definitely not it. No, it's not gonna work. You gotta play with it, you know, wait for them to move. Wait for the right moment. Make sure they're not in striking range. And that most of their body's on the other side of the hook. See over here. We can almost get him up. Okay. Come on, you. I can help him. You see what I'm saying? Now, he might remember that he got help from something that felt like big from a human. The human being. His dad. You know, you just wait. That's what I do anyway. I just wait for a moment where I could be helpful to him and try to use the experience as a whole to show him that I'm not a threat. This would not have happened a week ago, I'm telling you. It works. It just takes time. But it's not launching at me. You know, we've been doing this a lot every day, but it pays off. It does. With dividends, it pays off. It's just a pain in the ass. You know, because he knows, I think, that I'm not food. And he knows I'm not prey. And he's not jumping at the camera. He's not jumping at me. He's starting to think of me as just not a threat, which is a good beginning. And then, over time, a lot of time, we'll find out just what we can be to each other. For now, just not a danger is enough. Look how he's looking at me. You know, such curiosity. There's a lot going on behind those eyes. You can sense it. And it's just hard to be, it's hard to act rationally when you're so scared, right, buddy? As long as when I touch him, it's not fast, it's gentle. And he just goes on his way. Why would he bite me? He's not a bad dude, I'm not a bad dude. But it's gonna take time for us both to feel right about this, you know, but just supporting him, it always works. It always works. Then he's gonna love me. He's gonna love me. Show him how cute you are. It's like bacon. Would that be a good name for you? Bacon. We do it in Spanish, tocino. We'll see. Goma, which is rubber. It's also an eraser. I'll play with it. Anyway, I'm happy with his progress. I think he's happier too. He's not as scared anymore. He's just inchworming along on his hook. I like seeing that so much. This stuff, it always pays off. It's just a question of time. Alright, buddy, you're going home. You did great. Wait, don't fall. You'll scare me to death. This is your home. This is your home. You don't get to go into the data because he'll eat you. It's so hot. Oh, it's so hot in here. Jesus.